Welcome to Birch Hill Farm and Holiday Complex, a unique opportunity to own a classic farmhouse, very contemporary inside, and 7 holiday cottages, all set in about 8 acres of grounds. You've got pizzeria areas, you've got fairy areas, you've got woodland walks, you've got animals running around. I mean, this is just a destination, and our clients have won many awards and now feel it's time to pass the mantle on to somebody else. Come and have a look. Stepping inside Birch Hill Farm, it is such a surprise. You've got this classical facade, and when you walk inside, you're automatically transported into a very contemporary living area. You've got walnut doors. You've got a hardwood staircase. Love to show you around. Do come in. So this is the welcoming reception hall I was talking about. You've got this high polished floor, large tiles. You've got walnut doors that are offset around the house. It's quite a contemporary feel. And in a moment, I'll take you into the kitchen dining room, and the journey just carries on. So the contemporary theme follows through to the drawing room, which is a fabulous room. Those of you who love log burners, that is a clear view stove and is so efficient. Of an evening, the sun will be setting out through the windows here, and I don't mind if I do. Somebody that loves entertaining, this is just a great space to work in. You've got a cooker, hot water tap, big fridge freezer, induction hob, you've got an oven, you've got a grill, you've got a microwave. The list just goes on. Dishwasher, recycling drawer. And of an evening, you can just throw the doors open and bring the outside in and the inside out. Wonderful space. So if you just want a bit of peace and quiet away from the cooking and the noise of the entertaining, sit here. Look out, peace and quiet. To my mind, every home should have a proper entertaining area. And here, space for 10 people to sit, looking back into the recess that once upon a time would have housed an Aga or a Rayburn. And it just continues into the kitchen breakfast room and then out into the garden. This is just magical. So through this door, it will take you into a boot room, really good sized utility room, doors to the outside, and a small study area. So back in the hall from the sitting room, you've got cloakroom, study, and a further reception room, family room, snug sitting room, whatever you want it to be. Coming upstairs via the hardwood and glass staircase. You then start getting the blend of traditional panel door, brass knobs, yet there's a real feel of homeliness as you go through. This main bedroom is just wonderful to be in. Very peaceful, very calm, no need for any curtains, and you're just overlooking the rolling Devon countryside. To the left of me, you've got a dressing room and a very large ensuite. So behind me, you've got 2 double bedrooms, you've got a family bathroom, and you've got a single straight dressing room. And that completes the accommodation in the house. So there are 2 distinct areas for the holiday cottages. I'd like to show you the first. The advantage of these two cottages, you've got oak and bramble, is there's a gate between the two. So if you're a family of 4, 6, 8, hire both cottages, but you've all got your own living areas, kitchen, and 2 bedrooms and bathroom. So if you want some detached holiday accommodation, you've got willow and you've got elderberry. And just behind me, you've got the stables and the washroom for all of the accommodations, guests, towels, sheets, pillows, etc. And there is a resident donkey. So, set across from the farmhouse, you've got the granary. And the accommodations then run on down. A small room, currently used as a reptile room, used as a shop, and yet more accommodation. That then takes you out to all of the acreage and where the recreational section is. Do come down. So continuing down, you've got Bryony and you've got Hazel. And the beauty about these 3 cottages is they've got these lovely southwesterly facing gardens and terraces, and just on the other side is the paddock where the animals are. So what every parent wants is an area where the children can just let off steam. And this part of the grounds is where it all happens. You've got a 2-storey play barn, toilets on the outside, and I'll take you through to the garden play equipment. So for the older children, you've got an outdoor play area, and inside you've got a games room with pool table, 5-a-side football. The eagle eyes amongst you, on the left there, shut off is actually a filtration area for somebody who wants to draw their own water from the well, not currently connected. And while the kids are letting off steam just up over there, what a great place for the adults to be. Great area to have a sit around, campfire, chat, fire pit, pizzeria evening, just chillax. And when you want to work off those calories, there's a woodland walk going off to the left of me, down to a pond, and there's another one further to the right. And the last of the cottages is Primrose, a detached cottage with planning permission to enlarge it, just overlooking at more of the gardens and grounds. So this is the last part of the tour. You've got the paddock, the animals, you've got hens, goats, pigs, and off to the right of me, you've got the back of the separate cottages, and beyond you've got the ample parking for the whole site. This really is a home that will deliver on many levels, as I've said before. It's won many prestigious awards and continues to do so. This is an opportunity for somebody to really take on a lifestyle with a very good income and just make the most of this great place and lovely surroundings. You're minutes from the Tarka Trail, you're about 20 minutes from the North Devon coast and surf beaches, and you're about 40 minutes from Dartmoor. Do give the office a ring on 01805 626 999. I'd love to talk to you about this and show you this. This presents a cracking opportunity for a family, individual, to have a lifestyle and income in a great part of Devon.